at the risk of this turning into a Dewalt tool review channel, which is not going to be, honestly, I haven't got anything going with them in particular. Tough Case, I assume they mean the packaging, because I thought this stuff had been banned years ago. Am I the only one who's nearly lost fingers due to this? But anyway, managed to get through the outer layer. Inside, all I wanted was a couple of the drill bits, and it seemed cheaper just to buy a whole kit. But what a lovely box! And then it got me thinking, why, really well made, that lovely sort of steel rod through the hinge there. Oh, and actually it feels decent quality as well. It's not like really cheap tacky plastic. It's the good stuff. So I'm thinking, well, what's the deal there? The deal there, I think they're trying to tap into our human instincts to have everything nice and neatly organised here. So although I went in just for some drill bits, all of a sudden I'm starting to consider, do I buy all this to organise my life? And then I remember, no, I've been there before. So yeah, lovely idea, lovely, nicely made case. Drill bits are not bad either, but trying to get tempted into something there. That's the end of that one. Anyway, future videos, well, I've got a little project I've been working on, which is, what can possibly go wrong with a 40-watt industrial Chinese laser cutter. Yeah, future video. I might do a bit on this because it was quite an interesting little job to get up together, and yeah, so look out for that. It's been trials and tribulations, but surprising what you can get for your money.